Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by matching ports and power. Get cables and any adapters ready. Once you have confirmed HDMI, DisplayPort, or DVI availability, connect one monitor first to the primary GPU port to establish a base signal. Make sure both monitors are plugged into power and turned off while you connect to avoid detection issues. You do this to reduce confusion when the system enumerates displays. Connecting the primary monitor first helps Windows or MacOS identify the left-to-right layout later on. Now boot the PC and power up both monitors. Select the correct input on each so the OS sees them. In display settings, click Detect, then drag screens into the desired order. Put the primary where you work most. Set resolution and refresh rate for each monitor to avoid stutter. Make one primary if you want taskbar and apps there. Once done, choose Extend for extra desktop space or Duplicate for mirroring. Remember to adjust scaling if text or UI elements look too large or small. Finish by updating your GPU drivers and fine-tuning color and sleep settings so both monitors behave predictably. You should arrange physical ergonomics, height, tilt, and bezel alignment to reduce neck strain and test window snapping and apps across screens. If something fails, try the key troubleshooting step. Swap cables and ports, then reboot with only one monitor connected. This isolates a bad cable, port, or adapter. If problems persist, roll back or reinstall the display driver and retry the detection sequence.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.